Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if dishwasher not spinning. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, verify the lid switch. For this purpose, you have to unplug the washer, locate the lid switch near the door hinge, use a multimeter to test for continuity. If no continuity, replace the switch. Number 2. Inspect the drive belt. For this purpose, you have to unplug the washer, remove the back panel to assess the belt, check for wear, cracks or breaks, replace the belt if damaged. Number 3. Examine the motor coupling. Disconnect power, assess the motor coupling, typically near the motor. Inspect for wear or damage, replace the coupling if necessary. Number 4. Check the door latch. Ensure the door closes properly. Test the latch for continuity using a multimeter. Replace the latch if faulty. Assess the motor control board. Unplug the washer, locate the control board, inspect for signs of burnt components or physical damage. Replace the control board if defective. Inspect the clutch assembly. Disconnect power. Assess the clutch assembly near the tug. Inspect for wear or damage. Replace the clutch if necessary. Number 7. Check the drain pump. For this purpose, you have to unplug the washer, locate the drain pump, check for obstructions and clear any blockages. If the pump is defective, replace it. Number 8. Balance the load. For this purpose, you have to pause the cycle, open the lid, and redistribute the laundry evenly in the drum. Remove or add items to balance the load. Restart the cycle. Number 9. Inspect suspension boards. For this purpose, you have to unplug the washer, assess the suspension rods, press down on the tab. If it bounces excessively, the rods may be worn. Replace the rods if necessary. Number 10. Reset the washer. For this purpose, you have to unplug the washer for 5 to 10 minutes. Plug it back in, restart the washer and select a spin cycle to test if the issue persists. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.